This is Lisa. Lyndon and I had a 3-night stay in the Centurion Tower in a 450 square feet premium king non-smoking room located on the 26th floor with a view of the rooftop and ocean. Key features of the room: steam iron and board hangers, safe, luggage rack, coffee maker, 55-inch TV, mini refrigerator, blackout curtains, USB and power outlets on the nightstands and desk, hair dryer, makeup mirror, and bodyography bath products. The room was clean, spacious. We highly recommend staying in the Centurion Tower. If you have made it this far, please like and subscribe. See you on our next adventure. Thanks for watching, Lisa and